My name is James Waheire, and I am going to talk about this debit card that is given by Ultima. This is a special card that makes you become, like now I'm native Kenyan, but I'll be a global citizen, meaning that I can do my business in Ultima, and I can put money on this card, and then the money I can go and use it anywhere in the world, over 100 countries where I can use this card. And so I'm introducing to you this fantastic opportunity that you can also be able to join this business, and you can be able to earn your crypto shares. So when you join the company, you are able to have you are able to have shares, and then with the shares, you'll be able to getting a reward or profit every day for 200 years. That means that in a lifetime, you'll be earning money from the blockchain. And so this is not money that is determined by a friend or a government or an official or an executive. It is put in the blockchain, and it will come every day after you buy the digital shares. So here I am in the capital center, City Walk.
Yes.
And I've just done some purchasing here, and I want to make payment with this card so that you can be able to see that this thing works. It works in Kenya, it works in Europe, it works in Asia, it works in America. Anywhere where you have MasterCard sign, this card will do. So what we do this now? Okay. Yeah, so we have bought here some shoes for my wife, and then also belt here for myself. And actually, this has been done by the courtesy of my upline in the business, my senior partner, Dr. Favor, and so we are quite excited about this. Wow. So where is the machine for this? Do this one. Yeah, so this is an opportunity that has come to you, and if you're interested in being a native of Kenya and a global citizen where you can have money and use it anywhere in the world, you are welcome to get me. My number is 0734-85-3037. Again, it is 0734-85-3037. And when you get in touch, I'll be able to let you know how you can be getting involved. The minimum shares is 65,000, and but if you want to get a full share, it's about 465,000, and you'll be getting your money every day for the rest of your life after you do that investment. Think about it. It's not like when you buy a piece of a piece of plot and then you build, but this is money that you just click and you get the money every day without leaving your house, perhaps even without leaving your bed. So think about that. So watch us do this. Yes. Right, so the machine is looking and it's checking whether this is going to be accepted or not. Its authorization is going on. Just watch. I'll remove the card. So, wow. Why does it show? Why does it oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
And thank you very much.
You're welcome. You people, you can be able to see that we already made the purchase. It's been approved. Right. So on this card, you can be able to put crypto. You can put in Bitcoin here. You can be able to put Ethereum here. You can put all those cryptocurrencies, and you can also put the fiat money. So you have euros, you have dollars, you have yen, you have whatever other currencies. So this is a wonderful card that you can be able to purchase and do this business everywhere in the world. so excited about this. Asanteni sana. And this good lady here that has done this business.
Yeah, I know.
Wow, asante sana. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.